Merlin saves us from coronavirus.
Are you okay? Yes.
I have news for you.
Really? Let me look in the Book of Wonders. Oh no, a virus is taking over planet Earth. We need to leave. So I guess everything is closed down because of corona.
You need to wear a mask.
Get away from me. Good, now he's gone.
Save us from coronavirus!
What was it? Hicketus Picketus? No. Nickle Pickle Pickle. That's the one.
Hooray! You saved us from corona!
Come here, old chap. Guess I was wrong about you.
Thank you so much. Thank you again.
Bye. What?
I'm here and I came prepared.
Ugh.